Hi boys and girls, today we have more subtraction because we're trying to meet our goal of being able to use a number line to help us subtract. Remember, when we subtract, the biggest number, the whole, is always going to come first, and then we see this subtraction sign, which means we're going to get smaller. So on the first side of this paper, we're going to use 10 frames to help us subtract. So on the first one, we have 14 minus 2. So we already have the circles for us. We don't have to draw the circles. We're just going to cross off 2. And when I cross off 2, I have 10 and 2 left. So what's 10 and 2? It's 12. Very good. Okay, so the next one is 17 minus 14. So we have a lot to cross off here because 14 is kind of a big number. So let's do it really careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. When I cross off 14, how many do I have left? 3. Very good. Okay. Next one is 11 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does that leave me with? 6. Very good. Okay. 2 more to go. 20 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many are left? 10, 15, 16, 17. And our last one is 15 minus 9. So I'm going to cross off 9. 6, 7, 8, and 9. So when I do that, how many do I have left? 6. Good job, boys and girls. So let's turn it on the back. We've been doing these all week long, so you're getting to be experts at them. So I'm going to do some with you, and then I want you to do the rest on your own so that you can show your teacher how good you are at subtracting. So the first one is 12 minus 7. So put your pencil on 12 and count back 7 hops. Where did we stop? 5. Next one, let's do 15 minus 7. So we're going to start on 15 and take 7 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What did we stop on? 8. Very good. The next one is 17 minus 5. So where do we start? 17. How many do we count back? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's my answer? 12. Good. And I have one more. 19 minus 3. So we start on 19 and we go backwards 3 spots. What did we stop on? 16. Good. So you have 6 problems here, and I want you to try them on your own. So, and then when you turn in your paper, make sure your name is on it so your teacher can see your great work.